What's up? So Ducati had their world premiere this past weekend, unveiling a range of new bikes, and the cherry, the beautiful red cherry on top of all of those bikes, sitting centre stage, was the Panigale V4R. I really don't know what to say about this bike. You could read the list of specs, so you can just look at it. I remember I saw it and I wanted to tweet something to Ducati, and I sat there for about 5 minutes thinking, what could I say, and I don't know what I said. Complete with winglets. It weighs 172 kilograms dry, putting out 221 brake horsepower. And on top of that, there is a racing version that weighs only 165 kilograms dry, putting out even more power. You know, and this thing comes complete with riding modes for everything, every day of the week, every situation that you could think of when you're on a racetrack. You know, Ducati wheelie control, slide control, braking control, auto tire calibration. I have no idea what that means, but just to look at the bike is stunning. Is this something that you're looking for? Are you one of the lucky ones who is really seriously considering one of these? You know, maybe they have a monthly affordable payment plan, I don't know. Pay it off at £1 a week, you know, for the next 200 years. It's just dripping with motorcycle goodness. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this the kind of bike that you're looking for? Is this a bike that, you know, could you really ride this bike on the UK roads? You know, I'm not sure. Does it have a UK safe mode on it? I think you're only ever going to get the most out of this bike on the track. Just a road legal MotoGP bike from what I can see, competing with the likes of the R1M. That'll be an interesting test ride to do one day, in my dreams. Anyway, thanks for looking. I thought I'd just share the news and blast you with pictures of Italian exotica. Ride safe, drive safe, and I'll see you next time.